Alright you guys, so I'm gonna talk to y'all like this, because if I talk to y'all like this, the sun is in my face and that's very annoying and I can't even see what I'm talking about. But I don't need to see what I'm talking about. Right here we have the user's manual. We are going to open it up, and as I do this I will try to snap the photo if I remember. Alright, so in the beginning it just says getting started. Alright, before installation, check accessories, blah blah blah. Alright, so right here it says installation and cables. Okay, installation and cables. Now this is debatable. However you want to hook up your wiring set is however you want to hook it up. In my car I can hook up the wires on the top right here. All right, now let me remind y'all, I do have an older car, so I don't mind experimenting with my car. Even my wife's Toyota, it's a 2006 Toyota Camry, but she don't mind experimenting on it, depending on what the experiment is. But me, I will probably do more experiment type stuff with my car. If you're not comfortable with this, take it to like Best Buy Geek Squad or something, and you know, let them do it for you. Don't do this, and if you're not comfortable, then there's no point. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are going to take out our mounts, and if you installed you know, charger mounts and stuff, this you should know, but we are going to go ahead and show y'all for the ones that don't know. Now you have two ways to mount this from what I see. It looked like you can mount this, how they got it, okay, it looked like you can mount this on your dash if you want to, but I don't want to do that, so I am not going to do that. I want to mount it up like this. All right, so the way this goes, you have two slots right here. You go down and then try to push it down. Oh wait, I think I'm the wrong way. Nope, I'm the right way, because I need to see the camera. This is the camera, can't block that. So we're gonna put this in and push down. All right, and if you want to take it back off, you slide it back up, which is very hard to do, but then there you go. So slide down. All right, simple as that. Oh, but there you go. All right, we are going to leave it like that for right now. All right, you guys, I never seen a suction like this before. So this suction, you actually turn to tighten it. All right, at first I was looking at it and I was like, why the heck is it loose? But as I can see, it says lock right here, well, unlock right there, and then lock right there. I like this style, you guys. Now once again, you can wire it however you want to wire it. If you don't want to even put wires underneath, you can just hook it directly to your dash cam, in which I would do. But you know, if it was my wife's car, then I will try to hide it underneath of the ceiling and all that stuff. Even when you take it to Best Buy, that's what they will do. All right, you guys, so the port is on top right here. So we're gonna hook this up top. And this is a USB type C. If you wanted to hang down, that's up to you. I'm just gonna put it up so that way it's hidden, kinda. If you're not comfortable with putting it inside of your roof on the top, in which, like how I got my antenna wire up top right there, and a little speaker right there, or the mic. Everything is in the ceiling, but they did provide you with clips right here. Right. Woo. The humidity out here is insane, you guys. Like, look at me, I am sweating like crazy. Oh my god. Next on the list is the rear view wire. Now once again, I'll take a photo so you can see it clearer, but they want you to run the wire on the ceiling. Okay, it's all depend on how you want to run your wire. I could run it through the floor, That will be, you know, probably more efficient. But if you try to put it through your ceiling, remember you have to try to find a way to pop open your ceiling and stuff like that. And they gave you stickies for it and all the above. And I will let y'all know how long the wire is just in case you want it for your truck or something. Now we are in with that, and this is basically the same thing. I'm gonna run it on the same holder if it allows me. It's on the same holder. Now this is all temporary, you guys. I'll fix this later. I just want to get into this dash camera because I'm excited. All right, you guys, so if you want to run your wire, you have to take this part off. That way you can run your wire easy, pull it out, and when you put it back in, there's a little slot right there, and you have this slot right here. It's a slot, so you will have to match it up to put it on. But you do need to take it off because you don't want to install with this on it. Now if you want to hook this up underneath of your little foot, or whatever you call this, just step in inside your car, you can lift it up and put it under. And I'm just showing y'all, this is how people do it so it can look more professional. And I'm gonna put it back here, lift it up. All right, so that's all you do. Lift up, put in. Lift up, put in. All right. Oh, I don't want to stick it right. Let's see how much. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'll put it underneath. Underneath. And then coolest dash camera on the market. Right now we can see the back. All right, remember that, and it says 2K. Okay, 2K plus 1080p. The rest is blurry because we still have the cover protection on them. So we're gonna take the cover protection off. Take this cover protection off, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The camera looks pretty good. Nice and clear. Now we got the front camera. Right, so we could turn this camera towards me more. I could turn this camera towards my passenger. So we are going to go over the user's manual now and start driving with this thing and finalize this review. This should be fun. I will record everything. It's automatically recording now. I'll see y'all in a little bit.